and this is a 2016 Porsche Panamera protected with Ghost 2. So for thief, got the key, started the vehicle up and went to drive away. As you'll see, it's just not going to go into gear. As you see, it's remaining in park. We're unable to drive it away. So what the customer's got to do, go through a code. We'll wait for a double flash from the indicators, and now as you'll see, we'll be able to select a gear and drive off. Taking it for a service back to a garage, you don't want to give them the code. Once it's running and disarmed, you pull the driver's window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see we get 5 flashes from the indicators. Now, as long as this vehicle doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes, it's going to be a normal vehicle, and you're not going to need a code to drive it. So when it's in a workshop, they can move it around. Not a problem. No need for a code. When you get it home, simply leave the car on, pop your code in, wait for a double flash, and your vehicle's secure again. So just to check, open and close the door, go to start it. Without putting your code in, try and select a gear, and you'll see it doesn't go into gear. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's the Porsche Panamera 2016 protected with a Ghost 2. Thanks for watching.